Here, the annunciator starts. The annunciator, as we mentioned, is responsible for displaying alarms in your JS or in the JS building. And it includes an audible beeper, so you can know through it that there is an alarm. It consists of what you see here, a set of cards, the RTK UC625, which are cards. The cards are vertical, meaning what? The cards are vertical, meaning the 4 channels here are 1 card, meaning this card has 4 channels. All right, this card has 4 channels, this card has 4 channels, and so on. Each channel contains, as we agreed, 4 channels. On each channel, you write something specific, and it comes with a complete sheet printed with the name of your alarm. And here, this is the LED. This LED is for you, all right? This LED will light up in yellow for you to indicate that there's an alarm. So you look and see, well, I have an alarm for something called SF6 gas pressure, a high stage. All right, nice. Excuse me, it tells you who your maker is and what the model number is. Then it comes to tell you what this annunciator is used for. I told him, well, it's used for raising alarms, indicating that you have alarms, so it's very important, right? As long as anything is important to you, you'll find that it always uses a backup supply, meaning it uses dual supply. What does this mean? It means that this annunciator has its main supply, its control voltage. All our control circuits have a control voltage of DC, which is 125 volts. And as for the AC, you have the full 230A, 230V. This annunciator goes into 2 power supplies, both operating together. When one of them fails, the other one still carries the supply for your annunciator. All right, then it comes to ask you about the type or color of the LED itself. And you say, well, it's yellow color. All right, if you take a simple look at the device, you'll find that you have here how many channels? You have 40 channels. Initially, you can't use all of them. Of course, you'll find that everyone, whether it's a pharmaceutical company, Saudi electricity company, Aramco, the Egyptian electricity company, or whatever, each has its own standard. But then the Saudi electricity company will tell you that at least 20% of these channels must be spare. I can't guarantee which one might fail. So I want to use another channel. As you can see here, you have how many of them? So 30, using one more, so that leaves 6. In. Two of these LEDs, okay? These are like a watchdog, which is which is if there's any problem in the DA. Inside, in the AC supply that is spinning the analog, or in the AC, it will raise an alarm here. Nice, okay, then it tells you each channel gives you the alarm after how long. So it tells you here, from channel 5 to channel 13, the alarm goes off after 5 seconds. From channel 19, after 200 milliseconds, the rest of the channels are all 5 milliseconds and so on. The whole idea here is that each of these channels, through its card, if you open the card and take it out from the back of the LED, you have a set of dip switches that allow you to adjust the time delay of your alarm. Of course, in the time delay of your alarm, you set it according to standards, meaning the RTK, you find you have 5 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds, 5 seconds, and 20 years. Someone is asking, Engineer Fad, you are telling me it only acts as a monitor. Yes, it is only a monitor and not a control. It is only a monitor and not a control. Nice RAM. Okay, this is another initiator. Yes, indeed, this is another initiator. What is its purpose? Its purpose is that I couldn't use the channels I have here because I need to provide a 20% spare. So I had to get another small initiator with 12 channels. 20% of the 12 is about 3 channels. So I left only 3 as spare and used the rest here. And of course, the same data that is recorded to me